Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today I want to introduce two practical indicators that work very well on the 1 minute time frame for the gold index. First of all, we go to the indicator list and search the name. And we are looking for the Supertrend indicator. Also, these two indicators have high win rate, and as you can see for yourself, you can easily backtest them and verify the results. Now choose this one, the Supertrend indicators, and also I type here the name here for you. Yes, I changed the font size for you, the Supertrend. And also you can go to the settings and I will put the picture of the settings in the end of the video, no worries. And also I will mention the name of the indicator in the description of this video. And we change these settings completely. In input tab, style tab also, which we have some changes. Please follow these settings. Now press OK. Now we are going to search for the second indicator in the indicator list. Is RSI also. This is the name. RSI is under LB. This one, we choose this one. And you can also see the name here for the second indicator. Also underline lab LB. Yes, these two indicators we need. Now we change the settings. Go to the style tab and we make these changes. We keep this one also. Okay, as you can see the video, now we have two indicators in our chart. Whenever the black RSI line is broken by the red candles and the sell signal appears, enter a sell trade. And whenever the black RSI line is broken by the green candles and a buy signal appears, enter a buy trade. And you can take back test, as you can see here. For example, here broken by green candles RSI, and you can see the buy signal, and after that you can see the result. And for example, here you can see the sell signal, and after that the result. It has a good win rate. Make sure to backtest without bias before using this strategy in live trading, and always manage your risk and capital properly. And here, for example, you can see the reaction of the RSI and the market candles, and also the results. This is for gold in 1 minute time frame. This is the name also of the first and second indicators, and here is the live of the market. And good luck, just stay safe and trade smart, and best wishes for you. Thank you so much. Good luck.